Ka Dinet Manik Syiem Memorial School nong Thmai kalayo ban pli perda ya ka jing rakhe dap arpsan snem jo kanik school ka belaseng house snem arhajar bad ya kanik jing rakhe dap arpsan snem on rakhe shi snem ganti hadu snem arhajar arpsan haganing si pli perda la wan bandalang do ba penyai sing Syiem ka KHDC kum kongsan ka kong M Lingwa District School Education Officer is Khasi ka kong Grim Sibon Khargangor imbadiru principal Ba Tony Curtis Lingdo MLA Barim, CP Marak Ubadairu Executive Chairman Joke Embos, Dr. MPR Lingdo Principal Barim ke Shillong College, Ba Kolkat Raji beri Secretary ke Nong Thamai Presbyterian Church, Father Augustine Kotala beri Parish Priest ke Nong Thamai Parish, Bat kibai pat Principal na kibai ke Cekapuli berfer kiba syakot sembah bat ki kena school. Habakiran hakani kesingi na kaliang kongsan la ke jing Jubilee bag jing kerhu kedo ya kani ke school. Bakanang kiyo si kemat hake jing syakri ya ki kena puli. Barulong bakalong ke jingkerku ya ki kimi kepa ki bawan banbuk school ya ki kuon hake ni ke school. Nomor kadan ya ka 5-year plan ke bala ban a syusyu ke jingkai ban sei ya ki sab bakerpang jing ki hybrid.
For sharing his time with us. Thank you, sir. These Khasi, please give a hand of applause.
All right, a big round of applause. As all the representatives like the torch.
Our school started in the year 2000 from class KG to class 4. Bit by bit, the school proceeded till it reached class 10 in the year 2015, and then gradually it reaches 24 years, and we can reach and we can achieve till the higher secondary stage. So during the period from 2000 till 2015, our schools were in the old Assam type buildings. My friends from the NEN, Northeast Network, they brought their books for the library for the children to read. That time we did not have a library room. But then in the year 2021, our late MDC, Latif Lam Khakunor, he extended his help to have a library room. Even though he is not here with us, we pray that he will be resting in peace.
25 years of dedicated service to education is a remarkable achievement, and I congratulate each and every one of you for your contributions. Over the past quarter century, the school was established with a mission focusing on developing empathy in the creative minds of the students with the ability to be go-getters with the moral courage to take failure along the way. This noble mission of the school is truly commendable considering this present age of stiff competition along with the challenges that this generation of students have to face along the way, coupled with the pressure and stress attributed by the different factors in this age of digital information. Hence, the school has aptly come up with a vision to enable its students to become active citizens in their own capacity for achievement and in finding their compass towards leadership. Today, we celebrate not just the school's achievement, but also the tireless effort. It is a matter of pride that the school has initiated and offered different opportunities for the students to develop their potential and excel in their area of talent or interest. As we embark on this Silver Jubilee celebration, it is important to reflect on the school's core values: knowledge, truth, and goodness. May these values continue to guide you as you strive for even greater heights. I applaud the entire family of Dinet, Manik Syiem Memorial School who have dedicated themselves to ensuring the overall well-being of the students and not only focusing on their academic achievements. To the students of the school, I urge you all to cherish this moment, to learn from the past, and to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Your school has provided you with a solid foundation. It's your turn to build upon it. Work hard and excel in whatever you like to do best, and definitely you will see doors of opportunity opening up for you.
Aspects to our plan for the next 5 years for Dinet Manik. One is that we want to bolster the education and the learning curve of the students that are involved in Dinet Manik itself. The second is the brand and image boost. One of the things that I noticed when I came to Dinet and started talking about Dinet to other people is people don't actually know where Dinet is, Dinet Manik School is. So people aren't actually aware of where the school is located, who are the people working within the school. So the plan is, we want to put Dinet Manik on the map, and we want to connect with other schools and colleges and institutions and make sure that they're aware of an institution with 25 rich years in the education sector. And the final thing is, we're going beyond just being a school, we're building communities. And that's why we have a 5-year plan. Next slide. So we're trying to improve the learning and education. We want to increase the number of students in the school. That might mean increasing the number of campuses also. Our connection is limited to what happens in school. You send your students to school, the teachers take care of them, you pick them up, or they come home. And that's it. That's the end of our relationship. But I want us to actually get into a process where we're engaging with the alumni, with the parents, with the students, with the teachers. And obviously we're looking at, can we break that ceiling where we are actually being recognized at the state level for our learning abilities, for our education, and all our other extracurricular performances. Next. So we have 4 focus areas. One is obviously the teacher development plan. The second is the student development plan, the parents development plan, and the alumni development plan. And there's a cross-cutting theme, that is the infrastructure development. Obviously, to do all the above, we need infrastructural development. Next slide, please. So before I go into what the 5-year plan is, just wanted to give you a brief glimpse into what we've already managed to do this year. So we already have something called the Reading Haven, and we've realized that reading is such an important component of our students' lives. We can't always expect parents to sit down with their children and read. So why not have the Reading Haven within the school itself? Then we have the Dinet Futurepreneurs Hub. Now, let's be realistic. Not all of our students in this school will become doctors, IAS officers, or engineers or architects. Okay? There will be students who are not interested in those spheres. But they are interested in a livelihood. They are interested in stability. They're interested in independence. They're interested in making a name for themselves. So the Futurepreneurs Hub is basically encouraging young minds towards anything that's innovative and anything that is livelihood oriented.
Sobat aku boleh sahisian, ia kan Khubor, ia kan management dari school, kebab pelakon mau dapat sobat aman dan lambat pi, but kalau kejikinan yang lalu dan ia kan Khubor dan lambat pi akan ika inaugural function ceremony jangan ika 25th anniversary jangan school. Dia ada ipet ia kan atusan pendidik senang, sekambi kan number kepada. Nekam deka age kepada dari kelatih berjumpa, but lagi bagian ia Khubor besar mangsen di school di bagian tentang ada kita di dalam community lokal di nasional ini kin ya itu limba juga di Khubor kaki dia absen di sana. Dan orang nasoba kan deka besok kibun ki ups and downs, nanti ki jing kibun haki jika nanti bah kandung pun ni kumakalong antara di school. Dia asoban I play yang present management apa jinglang jing transfer, malam keluar, kati berjumpa di nahikai baru. Tiba ada so tenat syarat ni apa nama tasni, mai ini kejinglang talented di students ni tu jinglang creative. Tiba nadu kemasdan juga program ni iba kuno kisah kibami nahin school kilo. Next time, dengan ada juga Khubor ia pergi ke school, kam kerbangun untuk students di berang-berang mentah, bagi nanglah bagi Jubilee joki, baru akhir-akhir kita nilai ini mentah ia kan 5 year plan untuk school, objective untuk school, management. Habis itu lisansnya, ia kalau ke bah sultanat bah hani school Dinet Manik Syiem Memorial High Secondary School kita pun kan ketong, bah Manik Syiem kami kita kita jenda sohun bah pinbu school kami nama bah ikut nama PE ke plan untuk school kita. Te nakalian jumiru kuka Khasi atau Masjid Council kawin nak subject jongka jumi Islam pelajar ke education Islam Family Projects window itu bahaya yang former minister haki Islam nadu 1952 hadu 73 ke education ketika primary education ke dalam bakal district council. Nak kita tahu nak kira pelajar ke jumpa baik ban shinti nama state. Dewan nak tahu kampat shimadu pat ketika hong hani aduk mentah. Dangshan tu New York kita meeting kebalong very successful ban the 16 Finance Commission yang kebalong New York ban beri ke jitri kam bujuni hakim isansnem berada the 15 Finance Commission, but hakim 16 Finance Commission kebalong long nila propose bunha ka jing mang lani ka proposal juni habide ban strengthen yaka education hami ho Meghalaya khamtam hakini ki area jongka district council nila persyangkat bala ban identify in schools ki badan kishno kita di community run schools, kita di mission schools, kita di private schools community way te yakini baru nila identify but in propose, but nila propose ya kasih finance commission tu bukan makan di nyarap dan nak kentaban ya deh but kentang pakai infrastructure yang key. Kita pun haki schools kerjakan kepada Shua, ke constituency kepada represent, kemarin kita soal income. Kita di school kita Pishong School atau Liul atau sama pada Islam hapan 4 Syekri atau school nombor 4 ke infrastructure pembiang. Jadi kalau berkata ya kalau wage kita te masoba hakin ga juk menta kana mdeishu penongta te government scam da kajin trade kam jumi ku ga council ka state government ne scam ba policy of education habide ka state kana kambit kambiang adam rani komlingwa ne would say education policy jumi ni concentrate ka academic Henry ni pilat pat kiwi wiki professions kiba ni dan kamban promote di kena te ngaso ban rempang Syiem kajing ai Jubilee ke bergerbang na pemutakan Khubor but ai bakanika year long celebration jong kanika 25th anniversary jong Dinet Manik Syiem Memorial High School kan long ka job halu ofin na berkut na sisna blame ke ku but undan ka dan pagi baru di syukur